The original Tribal Chief is here. And nobody is safe from their rage.
And at a combined weight of 4 of the black sheep of the family. The ones never invited to the family reunions or the cookouts because they're just plain dangerous men.
Enough is enough. Just bludgeoning their opponent.
Playing possum. I love it. Big shoulder up.
He is going to take this. Look at this. Beautiful Northern Lights suplex. The beginning of the end. We know what.
Northern Lights.
I mean, this is amazing.
Samoan driver.
He's got Jacob here. Uh-oh.
He breaks the end. This is not going to be pretty at all. Oh, and look at the cross.
Got it. They outlasted every other team in this match.
Green. And what an uphill battle it was. Outlast.